Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is gold analysis, and if you haven't watched my previous gold analysis, please watch all those. I will be attaching it I will link in the description, because then you will come to know what are these lows, highs, and HL1, higher low 1, higher low 2, higher high 2, higher low 2, higher low 3, and HH3. What are these? You will be able to know from that analysis. And now let us break down this on the 1 hour time frame. What has gold done and what is expected further. Now let us move to the 1 hour time frame. Now these are the levels. 1774, this is HL. Let me write this. This is higher HL and this is HH. This is higher high 1. Let me write here in the text, and let me watch this in the 4 hour time frame what these levels are. Then I will now which level this is. Higher low 3 and this is higher high 1 or high. Let me see on daily time frame, and for understanding this you will have to watch my previous videos. Now this was the low 1616, this was the high of the market. Which one this was? Which one was? This was the high of the market around 1786. The market went up to here. This was the high of the market. Okay, this was the high of the market. Please bear with me to understand this. Market directly went from low to high, and that is 1786. Higher high was above, yes, higher high at 1810. 1786 was a high of the market. Let me do it on 1 hour time frame. Now this is the higher low 2. Now let me put it here in the short time frame that we can understand this clearly. Now this was the higher low 2, higher low 2 of the market. Higher low was against around 1765 or 67. You can watch it in the high time format, or you can watch for this my previous video. Now this is the higher low 2 and 1786. This is the high of the market. This was the high of the market. Was the high of the market. High of the market. Low was 1616. From the 1616 market directly came to the high of the market at 1786. What has market done now? And this was the higher high 2 at 1824. This level is not from here, but it was put earlier. This is higher high 2 and this is high of the market. Market has not broken the higher low 2 still, and market could not break the higher high 2. For going to higher high 3, it is very important to break higher high 2 to go for higher high 3. and this is not, this was the level higher low 2. If the market breaks the higher low 2, as it has not broken the above level higher high 2, and it has not gone to higher high 3, if this level is broken, the gold will be bearish. And if the higher high 2 is broken and the gold is going to break this and goes for higher high 3, then the my expectation is the gold is expected to be super bullish, not bullish but super bullish, because gold was expected to retest 17 these levels after breaking the higher high 2, but the gold has came down to retest these levels earlier. What does it mean? It means if gold breaks this level, if the gold breaks this level, what will happen? The scenario, the next expected scenario. There are two scenarios now for gold. Either it is going to be bearish if this higher low 2 1774 this is breaking. If the gold breaks this level, then gold is going to be bearish. And if the gold breaks this higher high 2, then the gold is going to be super bullish, because if without retesting the gold would have gone, then it was expected that it could come down to retest 1793, but before breaking this, the gold has come to not only retest but it has gone further down and it has retested the high of the previous, that was the high of the market, not higher high 1 or higher high 2, but high of the market, and not broken downward to the higher low 2. So now let us move to the higher time frame and what the super bullish scenario. What is expected to be super bullish scenario? What will happen then? Then let me what is expected to be happen? Yes, what did I, okay, let me explain it now. Now if the gold goes above and breaks this level 1824, then it is expected that it will break this resistance at 1856 or 57, and after breaking this level the gold will also break the second level of, let me put here this level also, 1789. What is expected to the super bullish? Gold will go up and break this 1856, then will go to near to 1871 and will come down to retest this only this higher high 2 and will go up. The expected scenario, if the gold becomes super bullish, let me put it here, the expected, what will be, from here the gold will go up if the super bullish scenario is going to be created, because it has retested the levels that were expected to be retested by higher high 3, but it has retested earlier. From this it is expected, if the gold becomes bullish, yes, it is also bullish, but it is expected to be super bullish. Then from go here it will go up to, if we break this 1857 will be broken, then it will go near to the 1876, then will come down to retest this level, and after retesting 1824 not will come down but will rather go upward and break this level and go up. This is the expected super bullish scenario if the higher high 2 is broken. And otherwise, let us move to the 4-hour time frame. If the gold comes down and breaks the higher low 2. If it breaks the higher low 2 is 1774. After breaking this, then it will come to the higher high and will be downward. So now gold is in the condition at either it is going to be bearish or it is going to be super bullish. So please like this video, subscribe my channel and comment on this video and let me know what is your take on gold. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I'll be coming in the next video with another analysis.